Hey, Taiping Airlines Math Industry, and we're going to be looking and reviewing slopes again. So do you remember the slopes? Undefined, zero, positive slope, negative slope. So we're gonna see if they work for y equals mx plus b. Referring back to the types of slopes, there is a horizontal line which is called a zero slope, which is flat, like this in Super Mario. So that is called a zero slope, or we can say it's called a horizontal line. The other kind of slope that we're going to be reviewing is the vertical line, which is called an undefined slope or no slope, because this is not really a slope because it's just going up and down, like an elevator, like this. So as you saw Luigi going through the door, he never knew that the door led down and then he fell to the outside of the level, like he fell off the level, so he was falling down. So this is called a no slope or undefined because we say that this is not a slope, and we say that we can't divide by zero. So let's say that positive 9 is gonna be like right here, and this is our undefined slope. We can't divide by 0. And if we do that on a calculator, you get a result called an error. And no one has really found out why we can't divide by 0. So right now, it's called undefined, because no one discovered it yet. So with these two types of slopes, well, this one's not really a slope. The idea of this math video is that we're gonna use these slopes and try to find out the equation for each of them. So let's do an example. A line that has an undefined slope that goes through the point 3, 4, or 3 over 4. So here's 3 over 4 as a placement. So we have to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But since it's undefined, it goes like an elevator, which is going up and down. If you try to change to y, like 3, 6, here's 3, 6 right here, 3 over 6. That you can't really, this is not a slope. So, since it's stuck on 3, the equation is going to be x equals 3. If we try y equals mx plus b, this is not going to work. Since that this is just a line going up, down, we're going to say that x equals 3, because any number you put into y is always going to be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and up and down. So you're stuck in an elevator. Here is another example. A zero slope that goes through the point negative 7, 10. So the first step is we gotta find negative 7, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the point negative 7, 10. And since we said that it's a zero slope, the slope is gonna look like this. So, since this is the zero slope right here, any number you would try to put into negative 7, if we try and change it into negative 3 over 10 as a point on the graph, that will be right here. And it's on the same line. So basically, the equation is y equals 10. Because the line is always going to be on number 10 so basically, you're in a subway going from station to station. And a subway doesn't go up or down. It goes left to right. So our equation for a zero slope is y equals 10. because you're stuck on the 10 line. Here is our last example. So a line going through 2 points, 8, 6 and 2, 6. There is a shortcut to this problem, and it's very understandable. We know that this is definitely going to the letter Y, because if we quickly draw a graph, and we say 8, 6, and 2, 6, we know that Y is going to equal 6, because the line is going to stay stuck on the 6th line, or the 6th coordinate. So Y equals 6. And we can also say the 2 points, the 6's on the Y's is actually the same. So we know they both make a line that makes horizontal, a horizontal line. So a 0 slope, or Y equals 6. The other scenario is 8, 2 and 8, 10. We know that is going to be a line that goes up and down, or undefined. So we know that the x right here and the x right here is both the same number, which is 8. So we know that x is going to equal 8. Because if we drew a quick graph right here, and here's 8, 2, and 8, 10, and it's a line that goes up and down, so it's undefined. And that equals 8 equals x, or x equals 8. So this is undefined. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe.